other people. And I just turned out of my hotel. I'm headed to the main road, and I hope that the main road is like 20 times better. Here's the snow clouds, y'all. You see they trying to clear out these streets. Thank you, snow clouds. Woo! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus, for doing the work of the Lord. Okay? Y'all. Because, boy, thank you, Jesus. Thank you. So, y'all, I just have a straight shot to work. And I'm just praying that all goes well. I'm going to take my time. If anybody got to pass me, they just got to pass me. It's a bridge that I just passed. That's a bridge. And so much nobody out here on the road. Like, nobody. My understanding was that they didn't do snow. Just like we don't do snow in Little Rock. And so, it's definitely way more cars out here than there would be in Little Rock at this point. Y'all see the temperature over there is 24 degrees. I'm just cruising along. By the way, y'all did not get to see me scrape all this snow off my car. Still going slowly. Cause I see where they tried to like see these people out here acting up, accelerating real fast, like your wheels won't spin out. And I'm not having that. Slow and steady wins the race today. I'm probably close to the halfway mark, y'all. But again, I'm in no rush today. I'm gonna just be there when I get there. And I'm gonna be thankful to be there and be safe. And I'm also gonna leave before dark. This part of the road does not look, it looks like the lights are out. Maybe not, because that light is on over there. But it doesn't look, or it looks like they probably tried to plow this part a while ago. Because y'all, it's like snowing. It's about to say raining. It's like snowing cats and dogs. If you look at this stuff on the side, you'll see like how deep this is. When I stepped out this morning out of my hotel, it was like, you know, over my feet. It was covering my feet. That's the railroad track. Just got over that. Here's a truck behind me. It's probably like, if you don't go, coming to a stop. You gotta, like, I'm noticing you have to stop really slow. You cannot like suddenly stop. You know, like when you're driving in the rain. Oh, there's a snowplow. Go snowplow. So you can tell they like tried to plow this part. So I gotta go slow because this is another like incline right here. Ooh, I gotta try to stay on the path that was shoveled. bottom of the decline. At the bottom of the decline. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I'm like 3/4 of the way to work. Work. Oh my gosh. Woo. I had to wipe my little windshield, wipe blades off. They working overtime. Okay, car. Come on. You can do it. My tires are like, you got me working overtime. So a tip for, look at the bus still running. Go Skagit County. Because in Little Rock, wouldn't be no buses running. A tip for all y'all that are wanting to travel and work in the north, please buy you some new tires. Like, I didn't get snow tires, but I don't have new tires either. And so new tires, of course, are going to provide you with the best traction. And so that's my suggestion. Here's my job over here on the left. You guys probably missed it, but I'm pulling up. It's just a little side road. Things to distract me, but oh my god, I don't know if y'all hear my tires. I guess that's why people get snow tires, because maybe they do better with like packing, you know, taking the snow out from under them. There are people at work, y'all. These people are built for this. My tires are like, and I'm just gonna park right. I'm gonna calm down before I'm gonna be done fooled around and get stuck in this snow. Right there, but people not really knowing how to park today. It's because it's snow. So I'm about to take up 2 parking spaces as well. 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. My first drive in snow. I've never done this, y'all. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Bye.